Please, before we go, let us subscribe. The advantage of subscribe is to see all my YouTube videos. Press the notification button as soon as I release my video to the YouTube channel. I mean new ones, the moment I upload it to YouTube channel, you'll be the one to see the video. This tutorial is to show you how you can just start your own sharpening. This tutorial is to show you how you can start sharpening clipper blade by yourself. Can you see? I intentionally do this video as if I am learning sharpening of the clipper blades. I use one hand to hold the camera. I'm using one hand to sharpen. You see, some people used to call me. They don't see somebody to hold the camera for them. Yeah, they don't have camera stand. They don't have this one, they don't have that one. Once you have your sharpening stone, you have the clipper blade you want to sharpen, you have the treatment. See the way I'm doing it. I intentionally do this video. Don't think until you are perfect. Do it in a professional way before you can just start it. Can you see the way I'm sharpening? I use one camera, one hand to hold the camera. I'm using one hand to sharpen. Yeah? Can you see it? You see the way I hold it? It's a commercial work. It was a customer that brought it to me. But I intentionally do it in this way. It is not until you have everything before you can sharpen. Start your own now. Start your own now. Start your own. I've sharpened this clipper blade now. I'm testing. When I test it and I open it, when you see carbon inside the upper clipper blade, from the left hand side to the right hand side, in the front, in the back, inside the bottom clipper blade, in the front, in the back, from the left hand side to the right hand side, which means the clipper blade is sharpened correctly. Yeah. At the same time, when you sharpen your clipper blade finish, you test. If you are in doubt of what you're sharpening, maybe your mind is telling you see one sign there, you want to clear it, you can still resharpen it again. I intentionally do this video for learners. Can you see? It is only me doing everything. I did not use camera stand. I did not use camera stand at all. I use one hand to hold the camera. I use one hand to be sharpening. That is how it starts, gradual by gradual, little by little, before you know what is going. You have matured in it. Yeah. Let us see the inside. Can you see the carbon form inside the inner surface of the upper clipper blade? Can you see? This clipper blade is sharpened correctly. Can you see the second one? But I want to use rag to clean the inside. Yeah, there's one thing I noticed inside. I've seen it, but I've not shown you. I will use rag to clean the carbon. When I use rag to clean the carbon, because this clipper blade have been used for almost a year. Before sharpening, this clipper blade they have not sharpened it almost a year now. They now brought it to me for sharpening. So I will use rag. I will use rag to clean the inside. That masking tape has weak. I want to remove it, but I still want to resharpen it again. I want to resharpen it again. I'm using this video to show you that when you sharpen clipper blade and you test it, it's not sharpened correctly, you resharpen it again. So this one I've sharpened is okay, because I will still resharpen it again. Just to show you that when you sharpen clipper blade, you test, you see one error here, don't be tired. Don't be confused. Don't think that you cannot know it. Don't think that once you have seen an error, that is how it will continue. No, it will not continue in that way. One day is one day, you need to get it right. So I intentionally want to resharpen it again. Assuming you sharpen finish and you test, you now see error. This one doesn't get error. There's no error there. There's no error really. But I still want to resharpen it as if I sharpen it and now detect error again, or I test it doesn't work and I will now want to resharpen, so that thing should not be making you to be afraid. It should not less your mind. It should not bring sadness in your mind. You can sharpen clipper blade 6 times, 7 times. Yeah, when you are starting learning, you can sharpen even 10 times. When you test it, it don't work. Continue. Can you see? This one is sharpening correctly, but I will still resharpen it again to show that as if this clipper blade is not sharpening correctly. When I first sharpen it, I test it doesn't sharpen correctly, I will still resharpen it again. So when it happens, when you are sharpening, you should keep it in mind that once you meet up to the standard. Don't lose hope. Don't ever lose hope at all. Don't ever lose hope. I'm telling you sincerely, don't ever lose hope. Can you see? I use one hand to hold the camera. I'm using one hand to sharpen the clipper blade. You start like that, little by little. One day, you are going to get it right. My advice is even to have like 5 sets of clipper blades. You have like 5 sets. Using them for practicing. When you sharpen one, you test it doesn't work. Resharpen it again. Don't go to the second one. When you resharpen it again, you test. It doesn't work again, you resharpen. When you test again, you test. It doesn't work again, you resharpen. That is how you continue with one blade. You will continue. Don't carry plenty blade to be practicing. Take only one. Only one type of blade, a set of blades, upper and the bottom clipper blades. Take only one. When you take only one, you continue practicing with that only one. You continue practicing. Yeah, I'm very sure when you know what you are doing, you are serious with it. Before you will chop that clipper blade finish, before you will sharpen it to the end that there is nothing there again, you have to meet up to the standard. That is how to learn. You see, our first sharpening before, the sharpening is okay. But intentionally, I still reclean it, assuming I'm learning, and now sharpen it, I test it doesn't work. That one should not give me bad mind. That one should not give me tiredness. That one should not give me discouragement. That the ones I've sharpened it for number one, it doesn't work, cannot work again. No. It can work. Can you see? When I first sharpen it, the sign I see the first time. The second time now, I resharpen it again. I'm still testing. You will see that it's still the same sign I will see inside, which means the clipper blade is sharpened correctly. Can you see the cover again? As a real professional, when I continue to be resharpen 100 times, it will be giving me this sign, which means I am a real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade. Can you see it now? See the same sign. So I'm now showing you that when you sharpen clipper blade for the first time, it doesn't work. You test it, it doesn't work. Resharpen it, the same type of clipper blade, you still resharpen it again. When you test, it doesn't work again, you resharpen it. When you test, it doesn't work, you resharpen. Continue like that. Don't rush. Do everything step by step, slowly. When you continue like that, before you sharpen 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 times, in fact, I'm very sure you will be seeing the changes. And once the correct sharpening has entered your heart, it has entered. It's going nowhere again. Can you see how sharpening is finished? So I want to collect the casing from the owner. I want to put it inside the casing. It has been sharpened correctly. As a new viewer, you might think it's not correct. It's correct, sharpened correctly. Subscribe to my channel, watch all my whole video. You will see that once I test it in this way, it works. It's giving me that sign. It's going to work fine when you mount it on the clipper engine. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my video. MASTERbarbers OttE, one and only MASTERbarbers OttE throughout the world. Subscribe.
Won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I gotta